Hey Keeble Cubs, Mrs. Hoffer here for today's English language skills lesson. Friends, after today's lesson, you will know how to blend sounds to form one-syllable words. You will understand how to spell one-syllable words with consonants and consonant clusters, and you'll be able to recognize and name lowercase letters. To begin, we're going to start with a sound blending warm-up where we stick up our fingers on our hands for each sound to indicate each single sound, and then we blend them together by swooping down our hand in a downward motion like that. Let's get started. So the first one we're going to do together is these. It's going to make 3 sounds. So we're going to go d makes the word and. Good job, Keeble Cubs. Let's keep going. D, hand. D, band. Good job. D, bond. Lamb. The next one is calf. Chick. The next one is puppy. And lastly, donkey. Good job on today's warm-up, Cubs. Let's get started on today's activities. For this first activity, we are going to read the word that we see displayed on our screen, and then, Keeble Cubs, together we are going to segment, so break apart the sounds that we hear in the words that we read using our fingers. So we put our finger up with each singular sound like we just did in the warm-up. I'm going to put the words that we're reading in front of our faces, and each singular sound and letter has a line under them to represent the singular sounds that we are going to look at and break apart on our hands. Let's get started. Friends, here we see the word zip. Can you tell me what sounds that we segment in the word zip, Keeble Cubs? That's right. We see z, p makes zip. Here you see, if we point it out, z, p makes zip. Good job. Let's keep going. Here we have t makes the word pot. Good job, Cubs. Friends, here we see the word jam. Now, let's break apart the sounds we see in front of us that create the word jam. Jam. So there are 3 sounds in the word jam. Good job, Cubs. Here we see the word frog. Let's now break apart the sounds using our hands, Keeble Cubs. We see frog. Good job, friends. Now we have the word fast. Let's break apart the sounds. We see fast. Good job, friends. Now we have the sounds. What do you see, Keeble Cubs? That's right. We see t, w, I, G. And that makes the word twig. Good job, Cubs. Here we have the word stamp. Now let's break apart the sounds using all 5 fingers. S, t, e, m, p. Stamp. Good job, friends. Here's the word slept. Let's break apart the word. S, o, e, p, t. Slept. How many sounds do you see here, Keeble Cubs? That's right, there's 5, so we're going to use all 5 fingers again. We see d, z. Makes the word drums. Good job, friends.
For our next activity, friends, we are going to be reading the story Kit. As you can see, I have my pointer here. We are going to be reading it together, and I'm going to be using the pointer to point at the specific words that we are reading. Follow along with me as we read the story Kit. Kit. Kit can run. Kit can skip. Kit can flip and flop. Kit can swim. Kit and Stan. Kit ran and hid. Stan ran and got Kit. Stan ran and hid. Kit ran and got Stan. Kit and Stan had fun. Kit's hats. Kit has hats. Kit has big hats. Kit has flat hats. Kit has fun hats. Kit's cats. Kit has cats. Kit's cats run fast. Kit's cats lap up milk. Kit's cats jump up on Kit's bed. Kit's mom. Kit's mom gets up at 6. Kit's mom gets Dad up. Kit's mom gets Kit up. Kit's mom gets Dad fed. Kit's mom gets Kit fed. Kit's mom gets Kit's pets fed. Kit's pants. Kit had red pants. Kit's pants got lost at camp. Kit's mom got mad at Kit. Kit's mom can't stand lost pants. Mumps. Kit has mumps. Kit is in bed. Kit can't get up. Kit can't run and jump. Kit can't skip and hop. Kit is sad. Up. Kit gets up on top. Kit helps Max get up. Max helps Jen get up. Jen helps Kent get up. Kent helps Ted get up. Ted helps Peg get up. Fast Fred. Kid's pal Fred gulps his milk. Fast Fred gulps and gulps. Fred gets milk on his desk. Fred gets milk on his pants. Fred gets milk on Kit. Kit gets mad at Fred. Stop it, Fred. Pip's cats. Pip is Kit's pal. Pip has 6 cats. Pip's cats got in mud. Pip's cats left mud on his rug. Pip's mom got mad. Vic gets lost. Pip's cat, Vic, got lost. Pip felt sad. Kit ran and got Vic. Kit set Vic on Pip's lap. Pip felt glad.
Friends, now it's time to answer some questions about the book we just read, Kit's Pants. Friends, can you tell me, what did Kit lose? That's right, Kit lost her pants. And friends, what color were Kit's pants? That's right, Kit's pants were red. Do you remember where Kit's pants got lost, Keeble Cubs? That's right, Kit's pants were lost at camp. And friends, why did Kit's mom get mad? That's right, Keeble Cubs, good job. Kit's mom got mad because she can't stand lost pants. Friends, can you tell me who the main characters of this story are? That's right, the main characters of the story are Kit and her mom. Good job. All right, friends, so for our last lesson together today, we are going to be using our chain chart to create words. As we can see here, we have all of our vowel sounds and letters displayed at the top, so they are easily accessible to switch up the words when we're chaining them together. So let's get started. The first word we are going to be starting with on today's chain chart is the word hug. So we are going to start by bringing down the first sound, which is the h sound. And then we are going to be taking the word's vowel, the in the middle, and finishing it with a g sound. G makes the word hug. All right, friends, we have the word hug, but now we're going to try to make the word mug. So to do that, we're going to take away the at the beginning, and we're going to change it with the sound the M, and the g makes the word mug. Now, we're going to try to make the word smug. Do you think we change a letter, Keeble Cubs, or do we add a letter to mug to make the word smug? What do you think? Do we add a letter sound, or do we change one? That's right, we add one. We add the S before mug to create the word smug. Good job, friends. Now we're going to create the word slug. So in order to change smug from slug, we have to take out the sound and change it with the ul sound. And now we have just written the word slug in front of us. Friends, from slug to snug, what sound do we need to switch? That's right, Cubs. We changed the L sound, the L, and we change it with the N sound, the letter N. And now it creates the word in front of us, the word snug. Good job. Now we're going to create the word snag. Do we change a consonant or a vowel? What do you think, Keeble Cubs? Snug to snag. That's right. This time we're changing the vowel. So we're taking the U, the sound out, and we're changing with the sound, the A, to create the word snag. Good job, Cubs. Next, we're going to create the word nag. And to create the word nag from snag, we're not changing any letters or sounds. We're going to remove the front sound, the first sound of S. And now we just have the word nag. Good job, Cubs. If we have the word nag, but we want to switch it to the word bag, what sound are we switching? Good job, Cubs. That's right. We're taking out the first sound, the N sound, and we're replacing it with the B sound. B-ag creates the word bag. And lastly for this section, we're going to create the word bug. What sound and letter do we have to replace? That's right, Keeble Cubs. This is the vowel again. So we're going to take away the A, the sound, and bag, and we're going to replace it with the U sound for bug. Good job, Cubs. All right, now we're going to put the vowel back up to the top so it's easily accessible, and we're going to get rid of the consonants. For this first word, we're going to create the word pond. I'm going to take the P, the A down. I'm going to get the N, and finally the D. P, A, N, D makes the word pond. We're going to create the word pod now from the word pond. So what do we remove? That's right, Cubs. We would remove the N sound and put the D right next to the A, and we created the word pod. Now, friends, what if we're creating the word pad? Which letter or sound do we switch? That's right, we switch the A, the O, for another vowel, the A sound, which is the letter A. And now we're creating the word pad. What about if we created the word lad? We would get rid of P, that's right, friends, and we would replace it with the L sound, lad. To create the word clad, Keeble Cubs, we would keep the word lad as is, and we would add the K sound in front of it, and now we have the word k-l-ad, creates the word clad. Good job, friends. Next, we're going to create the word clam from clad. Clam from clad. Can you hear how similar the word is? What one sound do we switch? That's right, friends. We're just switching the final sound, the D, the letter D for the the M. So now we have from clad to clam. Good job. And if we were going to have the word clams, what would we add to the word clam? That's right, Keeble Cub, just an S. And do we remember what adding an S to the end of the word means? That's right, it means plural, so more than one. So clam means a singular, just one clam, and clams means more than one, so two or more than two of clams. All right, good job, friends. So we have clams, and now we're going to create the word slams by removing the C at the beginning of the word and replacing it with the S sound. And now in front of us, we see the word slams. Friends, if we want to create the word slaps, What sound do we replace in this word up here? The word slams for slaps. That's right. We take out the sound and we replace it with the p sound, and we have the word slaps. And finally, the last word I want you to create is the word slips. What sound do we replace in the word slaps to create the word slips? Good job, Cubs. That's right. We take away the vowel sound, the ah sound, and we replace it with the other vowel, the is sound in the middle. And now we have s, o, e, p, s, creates the word slips. Awesome job, Keeble Cubs.